Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. Okay, firstly, I'm saying really sorry for not doing any video from so long. Sometimes I was not well, sometimes my camera wasn't. And the other days when I wanted to do this, I was not getting the internet or not getting the kind of environment in which I can shoot. I went to my home, and so yeah, I'm back with the bang. Okay, again I'm back with the fab bag for October 2016. Okay, I wanted to do this also really from one week, but how can I do it without receiving a fab bag? I got it so late, so yeah, I'm doing it now. So for this month fab bag, I said coat. No, I got this bag for my fab bag 2016. Okay, initially they have sent me a mail for two things. One, a lip product or a makeup product, or the second thing is what kind of bag I want. So for lip products or makeup products, I had lipsticks and lip glosses, and also Cal compact powders, and I want neither lipstick neither Cal compact powder because I use my certain products. So I went for the lip gloss from Jerry G. Okay, and when they asked me for the bag, I think that golden is really too much for me sometimes because I already have many of them. So I went with this pink one, and when I receive it, I was really happy because it's not a baby pink kind of shade. It is pink with slightly like dark pink and light pink kind of colors mix, so it's really good. I can carry it around. I can put in my bag for everyday hygienic or some other products. So yeah, let's get started unboxing it. Okay, before unboxing it, I'll disclaimer that I have already unboxed it, and I'm going to show you what I got. So yeah, let's get started. For the first thing, again, like last month, what I received are these cue cards. Okay, the first is as usual my fab bag contest. We can enter in my fab bag contest by tagging in my fab bag on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and stand up a chance to win um, again some product. So yeah, this is the contest one. Then again, this is the personalized card. You can, if you can see it, dear Deepshika. Okay, so it's a personalized card which have all the things and also mentioning the theme of this month. So it is the festive high October fab bag, and I'm really glad that I got this because most of the product I got in this bag are the products I was thinking of purchasing from the market or from any kind of store, and I got all them in this. So yeah, maybe I'm the lucky one. But I wanted, universe has heard about whatever I wanted at that particular time, and I got all the products. So thank you, universe. Okay, so I've got the products, and every product's full size price have mentioned in this cue card. Okay, the last one is this cue card from Kaya for the 15% off again if I want to purchase the Kaya serum or something. So yeah, this is it. Okay, so first product I got is Jerry G lip gloss. Okay, this is a nude shade, and I'm really liking this shade. Mm, okay, so I really like the shade. This is a nude shade. Okay, I know you people might have thinking in your mind that she has dark complexion. What she is going to do with nude lip? But just wait and watch. I'm thinking of creating a ombre look really soon. So yeah, then this will help me out a lot. And if you are thinking what ombre look is, then go to Google and check it out, or you have second option, wait for my next video to upload. So this is the first product. Okay, the second product I got is the Veda Earth Cleansing Facial Oil. How the packaging, this is the packaging looks like, and this is the actual facial oil. Now what facial oil does, this cleans out all the impurities from your skin and all the makeup from your skin So this is saying use twice a day. Apply on face, neck, and gently massage into skin. Wipe with a dry tissue if required. To ensure better result, avoid washing after application. For even better result, apply twice a day. So let's give it a shot. Before this, I use for a regular purpose a Johnson's baby oil because that is really mild. So I use that as a cleansing oil, but since I have got this, I'm going to try this. Okay, the next product is again for the festive season. This nail shade from Fabbag in shade number 2. So this is a matte shade. Actually, I have applied it on one or two two nails, not on lips. Okay, so I really like it. It's a dull shade, and when I'm thinking of creating a ombre look. This will go really well with the look, and when I'm going to get the look, I'll make sure that I'll post that on Facebook so you can check it out. Okay, so next product I got is the lip scrub from Votre lip scrub, and this is 10 gram, and the price for actual product um, is 300. They haven't mentioned what full size product contains, but this is 10 gram. Okay, so what they actually does is exfoliation is really good for your skin, for your body, and for your lips as well, because the skin on lips used to get dry and patchy very soon. So lip scrub is really good for those nice mild kind of lips. So yeah, I was thinking of, again, I have mentioned it earlier, that I was thinking of purchasing most of the items from the grocery store or from the local market or from Sephora maybe in Mumbai. But yeah, I got this, so I thank God मुझे बचा लिया from going to the market. Okay, so the last product I got is the this tiny sample from Kaya Skin Serum. Okay, for Kaya, we all know that how Kaya products work. I guess this is a product every person knows about. So, skin serums are really good again. Before moisturization, we should apply serum on our skin so that the moisturization will work properly, and the properties of moisturizer will absorb in your skin really well. So okay, I'm reading it from the card. Okay, the Kaya brightening serum, it contains a potent lightening complex derived from ferulic acid and something something. Okay, these extracts are known to give the even skin tone, lightening the freckles and age spots, as well as help reduce the hyperpigmentation areas. Okay, I do not have hyperpigmentation, but still, someday I will be grown old, and I guess that time it will help me out, because आज काम करोगे तो कल फल देगा. It's kind of that. Okay, so direction for use is apply 2 to 3 drops to thoroughly cleanse face and neck. Can be used for before makeup for the best result. Follow the Kaya Intense Clarify HD program. Okay, I'm not going to follow the program, but yes, I'm definitely going to give it a shot. And after this will be empty. If this will give me good results, then I'm definitely make sure that I'll repurchase it. And the actual product looks like this. Okay, and if I'm going to repurchase it, I'll get a 15% off from Fabbag website. So yeah, that's all again from my this month Fabbag. Okay, so now I'm going to announce the winner for the first ever contest giveaway. So my winner for that is Jyotsna Bagh. Really cute, a nice girl. I have met her already. Actually, we have been together for so long, and she was my very first subscriber. She really liked it. She used to watch it on a regular basis, and she's like, pampering me, and not pampering me actually. She pushed me through, like, no, you should do this, you should do that, and all other stuff. So yeah, we have talked a lot, and then I thought that why not my first winner for the first giveaway should be her. So yeah, this is her. Okay, so that's all for this month. So finally, like the video, share the video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until then, keep loving, keep rocking, and happy Diwali, and wish you all the luck, joy, and happiness this festive season. So I'm signing off till next weekend maybe, or further long. So till then, bye bye, take care.